This video features standard cooking steps. You can scan the QR code on our packaging to view the easy cooking video. Video subtitles are available in multi-languages. The current meal sauce kit will be replaced by our innovative Transformation All-in-One Complete Sauce. Our complete sauces are an all-in-one cooking sauce that is convenient and easy to use. Explore our other complete sauces in the range. With our convenient, easy-to-use complete sauce for Mee Siam, you can now make delicious Mee Siam. Mee Siam is a sweet and tangy vermicelli with a mix of Chinese and Malay influences, featuring a rich tamarind gravy with a hint of chili. In this video, we will show you how to prepare Mee Siam. Here are the ingredients you need. First, use 40 grams, which is about 3 tablespoons, of Prima Taste Mee Siam Complete Sauce, and keep the remainder for step 3. We recommend Taishan Bee Hoon, or you may use any other bee hoon available at your local supermarkets. Use the balanced Prima Taste Mee Siam Complete Sauce from step 1. Watch till the end to learn how to prepare the Tau Pok. Now, here are the steps to preparing the bee hoon. Soak dry bee hoon in water for 15 minutes. Next, drain off water and it is ready for use. Let's start cooking. Step 1. Fry Prima Taste Mee Siam Complete Sauce on low heat until fragrant. Add water and low boil. Step 2. Add soaked bee hoon. Stir fry on high heat till sauce is evenly absorbed by bee hoon and fragrant. It is important to cool bee hoon to give it the springy texture. Step 3. We will prepare the Mee Siam gravy. Add water and remaining Prima Taste Mee Siam Complete Sauce into a pot. Bring to high boil. Step 4. Low heat and medium boil. Mee Siam gravy is ready for use. Step 5. Portion bee hoon into individual plates. Reheat Mee Siam gravy and bring to a boil before serving. Step 6. Pour gravy to heat up bee hoon. Drain and repeat to allow it to absorb flavors. Step 7. Top with boiled egg, Tau Pok and Ku Chai. Tau Pok and Ku Chai are good to add but are optional. Add your desired amount of Prima Taste sambal chili and calamansi for that extra burst of umami flavor. Isn't it easy? Try it today. Not only is our complete sauce convenient and easy to use, it is also value for money, offering an average savings of about 23% as compared to other food outlets. Now, here are the steps to preparing the Tau Pok. Fry both sides of the Tau Pok in hot oil for 30 seconds. Or you can toast in a preheated toaster for 2 minutes. Cut Tau Pok into approximately 1 cm cubes and they're ready to use. Check out our website for more cooking videos.